guys know, if you've been here for any length of time, that I like to do an entire home reset 4 times a year: winter, spring, summer, and fall. But I also like to do a whole house reset before I decorate for a new season. So the two big seasons that I decorate for, where I kind of, do the most decorating, is for fall and Christmas. So before we can decorate for Christmas, we need to take down all the fall decor, give our home a really good deep clean, and kind of purge, organize as we need to. And that way we're in a really good spot for decorating for Christmas, which is coming very soon.
Decorating for the holidays is one of my favorite things about owning a home. Truly, I love everything about making my spaces feel beautiful, and I hope to make my home a place that's inviting and cozy, even with the many imperfections and half-finished projects. Taking time to decorate your home and make it a place people enjoy being does take time, and so because of that, I like to get the most out of each season, and that's why I like to decorate at the beginning of November, so that I have 2 full months of my Christmas decor up for me to enjoy. As we get closer to the holidays, there's typically more filling our time and schedules, so starting earlier in the season gives me time to slowly transition into my decor rather than having to get it all done in one day. I would say that's my first recommendation if you want to create a peaceful home environment for the holiday season. Start early and take your time decorating so you can be intentional about creating a space you love and finding inspiration in your home, opposed to having it be an added burden. My second tip for creating a peaceful home is to complete an entire home reset before decorating for the holiday season. This might sound overwhelming, but I promise you it's the best thing you can do for you and your family as you lead into this busy time of year. If you're new to my channel, I make one of these reset videos multiple times a year because I like to do these resets multiple times a year throughout my home, and I find them to be super beneficial to the function of our home. I like to start by taking down all of my previous seasonal decor and putting the decor in storage bins that are labeled with the current season. So in today's case, I had 2 storage bins for fall decor. I like to use one of those bins to store my smaller decor pieces, breakables, and I like to add them in with my fall blankets and pillows or pillow covers. And in the second storage bin, I like to put all of my fall florals and wreaths and anything that I keep outside for the season. Once all my fall specific decor is packed away, I like to deep clean each room in my home. This year, this has been the easiest and quickest deep clean I've done because I started a new homemaking schedule, and each room in my house gets deep cleaned once a week, so it made this deep cleaning process so much easier than in the past. I will link my recent video down below if you're interested in my current cleaning routine, which has reduced so much stress in my day-to-day life. Once I've deep cleaned each room, I like to go around my home and tackle any decluttering or reorganizing in different pain point areas of my home. So if you have any of those areas, you can probably think about what they are as I'm saying this. But for me, under my kitchen counter, I had this one cabinet that holds all of my hosting items and some additional random kitchen gadgets that we use but not on an everyday basis. And because over the last few months I would just throw the items in that cabinet without putting them back where they go, the cabinet doors started to not shut properly. So I knew that this was an area that I needed to tackle, and this was the perfect opportunity to do so. It honestly wasn't as disorganized as I thought it was going to be when I first opened up this cabinet, but I was glad that I took the couple of minutes to just reorganize everything, make sure everything was in its proper place, and see if there's any items that I could purge. I had some boxes that I no longer needed to save, and so I could get rid of those. and just make sure everything was back in its original place. A couple other areas that I was able to quickly tackle was I just went through and organized my kitchen pantry. When it came to the kitchen pantry, it's not perfectly organized. I don't have everything perfectly placed exactly in this super organized spot. I don't have everything like color coded or organized by category, but I got rid of all the empty boxes or low boxes. Anything that I could condense, I went ahead and did that. Anything that was expired or broken, I was able to take care of that and just did a quick tidy in there. And that was really helpful. I also did the same for our linen closet. Taking care of these areas now will allow you to go into the holiday season organized and free from unnecessary mental clutter. This is also a great time to purge items that you don't use anymore or that are broken, because this time of year, most of us end up bringing more items into our home. So by taking some time to reevaluate what we currently have and donate or sell what we aren't using will help prevent more additional clutter. This is good just if you're an individual, but also if you have children. We typically have things that we're either not using or are broken or would be better used by somebody else. And so this is the perfect opportunity as we go into a season that we can usually accumulate more items to take some time to pause and see if what we have in our home is currently serving us. This is also the time that I will take off all of the couch and chair covers and wash them. I'll also take down curtains if I need to and give those a wash, wipe down the baseboards. Anything that doesn't get done on a super consistent basis is just a great opportunity to do that now. That way, as the season gets busier and as we have more going on, I don't have to feel overwhelmed by those other additional tasks that I was able to get done ahead of time. Another thing that I always like to do is clear all of my decor, and what I mean by that is there is some decor that I use all throughout the year, whether it is a certain season or not. Those are just like my staple decor items. I like to take even those items off of my surfaces and put them on a table to the side when I'm in this home reset period, because I like to have a complete blank slate for decorating for the next season. This allows me to have a few days with either minimal or no decor out around my home, and it allows me to go into the new season with fresh eyes. I try to decorate my space a little bit different each year, so by starting with a blank slate, I'm usually able to change up my space, which helps me to find joy in the process. this video is encouraging to you as you enter the holiday season, and that your home would be a peaceful place where you can experience the sacred moments that are all around us. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see this year's Christmas decorate with me and home tour, and I will see you in the next one.